Wait, did you hear that noise?
So tiny dinosaurs glowing bright, little wonders, magic light. Not just rocks, oh no, surprise. Magical eggs under starry skies. Yeah. What's inside? We just don't know.
They're alien
Will
rocks!
they hatch? Will they grow? A bunch of calls, let's let it flow. TinySaurs, let's go, let's go.
Don't be afraid. I'm a friend.
Tiny dinosaurs.
Hi, I'm Andy.
Benny. Sunny.
Friends! Whoa!
Magical
You guys are amazing! Wow! Look at all the lights! This is the best adventure ever! Okay, TinySaurs. Today, we're doing a science experiment you can taste. Taste? Yummy! I want eat! Yummy! I want eat! Yup, eat science. Hi, friends! You can try this experiment at home with a grown-up. Today's experiment. Can milk turn into ice cream? You will need these ingredients.
Half a cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 drops of vanilla extract,
2 drops of food coloring. Pick your favorite color.
pour the milk inside your bag. Pour the cream too.
This part is chemistry, sweet chemistry. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the milk. Like this.
Now add 3 drops of vanilla extra into the milk.
2 drops of food coloring to the milk. Pick your favorite color. Mine is green.
Red!
Blue!
Mine is pink.
Now we add salt to the ice. The ice gets super cold.
Ice! That helps the milk freeze.
Ready? Shake for 5 minutes.
Shake it up, shake it round. Shake it up, shake it round. Shake it, shaking, hear that icy, crunchy sound. Shake it, shout, shake it, shout. Shake it again. Shake it, ice cream time.
Colors! How's your ice cream?
Yummy ice cream.
Who wants seconds?
Me!
Yay! I love it! Try the pink one, Benny. It's super yummy. Try the green one, Sunny. Ooh, it's awesome. Sunny got a brain freeze. Brain freeze are not fun. So remember to eat your ice cream nice and slow. Wow, look at all these flavors. Chocolate? Strawberry? What's your favorite flavor? We shook it. It got cold. And milk turned into ice cream.
Ice cream, nice and cold. So many flavors to choose and hold. Ice cream,
everyone. See you later.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream makes the day feel right.
And that's science. You can taste.
Ice cream done, what a treat. Sticky hands and messy feet. Uh-oh, look around the room. Time to clean up. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Clean up time, clean up time. Everybody sing along. Clean up time, clean up time. Turn the mess into a song. Cups and spoons on the floor. Drips and drops, just a few more. Pick it up, nice and slow. Watch the cleanup magic grow. Clean up time, clean up time. Everybody sing along. Clean up time, turn the mess into a song. Round and round, here we go. Less and less, the mess gets low. Almost done, take a look. Clean and shiny by the book. Clean up time, we did it all together strong. Clean up time, all cleaned up now, let's move on. Hey!